friends, today we are going to be learning about the letter O. What sound does the letter O make? O. I'm going to be drawing one thing that begins with the letter O. What things begin with the letter O? Have a look around you. Orange. Wow, I love eating oranges. They are so juicy. Dot 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 dots. O is for orange. Now it's time to paint. Purple. Orange. The orange is orange. That's silly. Orange, orange. What's your favourite fruit? Yellow. O is for orange. Ooh, look! Wow! How many oranges do I have? 1, 2, 3. It's just like the picture. Look, it looks like it has a star on the top. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to cut this orange up and come right back. Wow, look at my oranges. The orange is so juicy. Can you see all the juice? So juicy and messy. That's okay. Remember, make sure you wash your hands before you eat your food. That was so delicious. Wow, that one came off so much better. Wow, my hands are so messy and sticky now. That's okay. I'm going to go wash my hands. See you again soon.